this is pretty jacked, huh? Figure out how. Tore up, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go. So is this the bathroom? Wooden shelves. It tore up, huh? How they kind of support it. Let's see what this would have been. I wouldn't walk on the wood. This was the powerhouse, huh? These are the cabins. It's those soft floors here. What? This floor's caved in right here. This one's, here we go. Let's see. Step on the door. Little closet right here. Little fridge on the side. Yeah, floor's a little bit hammered here. This would have been the bathroom right here. All kinds of nails, though. Really gotta watch the nails. As you can see through there. Old jug and door. Shop for nails, dude. There's a lot of nails sticking up. Those old, like heater right there. Floor is hella soft, dude.
Yeah, I walked on already, don't worry.
Yeah, but you don't weigh as much as I do. That would have been the bathroom.
Okay, at least.
Definitely some animals been in here. You can see that. There's some old medicine pills.
Where?
Over here.
Remove, I'll zoom in on it.
Some magazines. Just vitamin C. Look at this. Oh man, that's coming down. Somebody's work clothes is left over there. So it's their little bedroom, huh? I'm gonna walk underneath this. Hopefully it don't fall on me. What's that? That's like a part of an arcade or something?
Oh.
Here's a bathtub I'd like to use. Huh? How about you? And double sinks. Skidrak. Yeah, that would have been where the toilet was over there. This would have probably been here's the kitchen. Some kind of little nest there. What else can we find? Here we go. Must have been one of the little cabins here in Coaldale. I don't know if we can get any. Have we been able to find any? This one is really falling apart here. Here's the restroom. Look at that. Some nice person came and did a nice job of destroying the toilet, and then you wonder why these places are off limits to everybody, huh? Why people don't want you here. Somebody left something. It's an old couch, huh? Wow, nice. This here resort is ready for you. Lots of crap though. You gotta be careful trying not to stir up any dust. This would have been a little, looks like it would have been the bedroom. Let's see. It's like someone decided to move it over into the kitchen. And here we go, another bathroom. And so someone has some reading materials on the bathroom in case they wanted to. And the losers that like to vandalize, of course, have showed up. This one's gone. Someone, the vandals have done a good job on this one, haven't they? Made sure to knock out the wall. And here we go. There's an old like chair and a mattress. A little shoe. Shower. Some of those nails sticking up. That's nice and dangerous. Look at that shower though. Somebody decided to use that restroom. The heater. Here.
No, it's gross. I'm scared of going in that room.
Yeah, this is an interesting place.
Going in that room, I'm scared of.
Bedroom. Somebody was. Yeah, let's go. Garbage. Another bathroom that's been jacked up. And a little shower over here. This is the same replica. Man, people just stop off here and use the restroom, huh? Guess you gotta go, you gotta go. It's pretty nasty. This was a little hotel, huh? Got some pants down there. An original door, at least. Bathroom.
We're right there.
Or what?
Good.
Anyway,
Smeared on the wall.
that's gross. People, that's so gross of people, dude. People defecating. They get on every wall. Someone. Just garbage. And the last one. Just mostly garbage filled. Okay. Look at how nasty people are.